Welcome to Good Taste. For more info on our dishes and decor in each episode, check out the caption below. And don't forget to interact with us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Bon appetit! Welcome, I'm your host Vera J, and this is Good Taste, where style meets flavor. In this show, we combine beautiful homes and architecture and match them up with delicious meals. Today, the exotic Moroccan style inspired the delicious, spicy, roasted chickpeas. Morocco holds a mix of many cultures who landed and stayed in the northwest coast of Africa. Together, they created a distinctive and inviting look of colors and textures. Burnt reds, purples, and oranges are common, along with overstuffed floor cushions and pillows, which remind us of their nomadic lifestyles. Accents of colored glass lanterns made of lattice metal adds the jewelry to the room. Morocco is also known for its many spices. Here's an easy, healthy, and tasty Moroccan appetizer to enjoy and impress your guests.